Alrighty guys, welcome back to Satisfactory. We're back where we left off. Anyway, yeah, just on my last video. April Fools! Happy April Fools, nerds. Oh, my mom actually does not know I have unlocked rifles yet, just so you know. So, alright. What to do. Oh, and there goes my train. Oh, right, the rifle ammo crap. Transport. Okay, see that stuff. And we already have steel beams, and that is it. Okay, there's more steel. Also, I am planning on making a bigger energy source. But, gonna check if there's anything I can research. I obviously can't do this yet. Oh yeah, this is the requirements you need for the rifle. You need to get the smokeless powder first. Well, the sulfur, then the black powder, then the smokeless powder, and then you are able to unlock the rifle. Yeah, we need to unlock this high-speed connector. Let's just hold up. There we go. Anyway, grab this. Oh, we had some apparently. I am blind. Now, I am actually waiting for the matchmaking update for Repo. Then I'll restart on Repo. Like, Repo is basically the better Repo company, guys. No doubt. Alrighty, so we're actually going to go ahead. Actually, I'm just gonna get rid of this for a bit. Then we're going to get a portable miner Mark II for the little copper thing. Now, pick up the two, whatever that is, the two deployable miner thingamajigs. So tip, you can just press the space bar and then it'll automatically craft for people who don't know. Just so that you don't destroy your fingers, like look. Oh, I know. Oh, here we go, yeah. Space, just press space. Do I have any awesome tickets? No, I do not. I have 2 left. Okay, I'm gonna have to smash the factory on mine. Is my train? Oh, yep, my train's coming back. And oh, it's probably just heading for the quartz. Yeah, that goes. Anyway, yeah. There we go. Yeah, I need to build a power thingamajig. Okay, you thingy. 10 per minute, so I have to wait an entire minute. Alrighty. I'm just gonna get rid of the. Why can I? Just gonna get rid of this real quick. And I'm going to run over here on this thing and something else to grab these for. There we go. Okay, now is my train coming back. No, it's right there. Alrighty. Now, so far I only have one train, but sooner or later, probably have a hub for all my trains. Don't want to waste too much ammo since I barely have any. That's why I'm making this factory to make some more. I'm also planning on making a Noblisk factory since I'm also running out of Nobelisks, as you can see, although I am loaded with gas Nobelisks because I actually found some at a crash site that I believe was actually right over here. Come on, hurry up, train. I don't got all day. Ow, my back. There he is. Anyway, also, just so you know, these things don't require gas, they only require energy. So I just switch right there, in case I need to shut off my trains. What? There we go. Don't know what the hell happened there, but onward. There's nothing here. The other. Okay, there we go. Wait, what? Power supply. Oh crap! Oh crap! 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 If the power goes out, the train's gone. Here we go. Just take it. Take it. Yeah, or just boost that up to 150 minutes. Okay, it's at least making it a bit faster. Oh wait, maybe it's only one of the tanks. Let's just hope we can get to the base without the train breaking. Ran over the spider. Sadly, I don't do anything. I suck at docking these trains. Why is Satisfactory so laggy? Anyway, yeah, wait, what? The hell? Is it what? Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, it ran down that fast. Yeah, we need a bigger power source. Okay, where's a place with a lot of wall over here? Over here. Just gonna stamp that. Power plant. I'll make it. Let's make it infinite. Make it large. We'll make it like this, like lightning-ish color, like this. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, it also matches the color of the water. Anyway, this is where the power plant is gonna be. I'm gonna connect it to this train station so the entire factory be powered by the power plant. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of planning anyway. Yeah, I'll probably do that off camera. Probably bore you guys. Probably do it with my mom to speed it up. And I'm also probably gonna show her some stuff that I changed around the factory. Anyway, I'm just gonna upgrade these conveyor belts real quick. You can skip to when I'm done if you don't want to see this. Oh no. Let's just see it. Oh, I'm out. Dang it. What is this a computer? Yes, it is. Okay. So, another Mark II is in need. Oh, hello, mister. No. Alrighty. Alrighty, so now gonna see how it's doing. Doing good. Iron is actually used in like a lot of basic crafting recipes. Now, I don't think this will be like centered, like 100% accuracy, but it might. That's why we're going to need the Mark II miner. Oh yeah, here we go. Also, there's this cool game I actually saw in the Steam shop. It's called Astronautics. Bought it. Yeah, anyway, we are gonna need this stuff. Been waiting to get logistics on Kid 4 for like 5 years. I'm so tired. Oh goodness. For packaging, this is actually pretty easy. Petroleum power. We have this automated, and we have these two automated. I mean, we can just go ahead and put some things in there. I'll grab the motors from over here. We are running low on motors. That's why we need our rotor factory to be super fast. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now that is completed. Petroleum power. That's basically the second power source. Also, guys didn't know. Alien power up emitter. I have that unlocked. Just gonna place it. Yeah, I don't know how to use it yet. Just gonna do like 10 frickin' swimmer sloops. I have to rip like every single swimmer sloop out of the factory. I'm probably gonna go sloop hunting at some point in the series. I'll probably do that next episode. And if you don't want to watch me do the sloop hunting, you could just go ahead and watch the episode after that when it comes out. Anyway, I keep forgetting what I'm supposed to do. There we go. There we go. Now we can just go ahead and switch back here. So that whenever we do petroleum power at some point, we'll let it start. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that either. I will do this. Pipeline MK2. Very useful for some future crap. Packager. Yeah, we're gonna need to build a factory that reduces these empty canisters. So wait. According to my calculations, going to okay, so the 50 is a stack. So 50 times. No, it should be divided by 400. 8 stacks to fully complete that. Minus 68. Negative 60, what? Yeah, 8. Minus 68. Yeah, this is negative 60. So yeah, we'll just say 8 stacks. We don't even have a stack. Oh yeah. Oh wait, actually never mind. We have more than a stack. So many. I should probably get rid of this. Since no use. This thing to even be here. So, need 8 stacks, according to my calculations right here. This thing, like, this thing can actually like just search up like stuff, like alien power augmenter, but it can also do math. Like, for example, so this symbol right here is actually the times symbol, because X is used in some stuff. There's the words. And this is division, this is addition, and this is subtraction. So yeah, that's how I did this. 8 stacks. Just a tip for you starters, Satisfactory players. If you even have a PC, also do not play this on a laptop. It will explode in under a second. Try that once, I'll set my house on fire. It will actually explode. I mean, unless your computer, unless it's made of wood, then yeah, sure, it'll explode. We almost have everything on that. Yeah, we need to get another hand slot upgrade, and also need some inventory. Megafauna. Alrighty, we're actually going to go ahead and bring these back. Wait, we'll actually need to make. We'll have to make like. No, I'm pretty sure I can deal with that. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna need this stuff. We're gonna get the engaged district rooms right now, actually. The 5 motors won't be a problem. I'm actually gonna go ahead and head up to the rotor factory, because very downgraded and crap like that. So what are we like running low on? We're running low on that stuff. So I might actually just give up one of the loops and put it in there. It's so that the assemblers will reach 100% accuracy. Probably be 100% exactly, but who the f cares? There we go. Alrighty, done with that. Time for motors. There we go, cut that. There we go. Away. So yeah, here's where rifle loading thing is, because as you can see, what? There we go. We need smokeless powder. Oh. No, excuse me. What the fuck are you doing? Come at me. I got a challenge sometime. I love you telling me to move the train or something? There. Now we can continue our battle to the death. Ah, frick. This is my last one. Shit! You dead? No, you're not. Oh yeah, I'm almost dead. Okay. And I'm out of rifle ammo. This is so fun. Noob. Noob, I'm sorry. Sorry I called you that. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. I'm sorry, Dad. Please, don't leave with the milk. No. There we go. Emergency gun. What? You seriously think I wouldn't have a ripper gun? Are you fucking kidding me? All you needed was a slap to the face and you'd fall over like your dad left with the milk. Okay. You're ugly. I shot him in the eye. Let's get it. Bring the rifle back. So, yeah, that ends my rifle days. I love rifles. I'm so sad. And so where is the, here we go. Alright, I guess we can make use of that. There you go. Turn. Place it there. Oh no, that's just gonna go onto the track. Gotta get rid of this. There we go. And just gonna get rid of that. I. Well, now this is in the way. Oh my goodness, and it won't. Yeah, it won't. Ugh. Okay, this is gonna be some hard planning here. I actually just could like put it right there. No. There we go. So we're just gonna place this here for now. There we go. Now this place has some power. And this place will be called Rifle Ammo. Rifle Ammo Factory. That means copper sheet to rifle, a rifle ammo factory. this to the list. Rifle ammo factory. I'll probably put this here first. Save changes. Load only. Copper sheets and unload. Oh wait, and heavy oil residue. And unload rifle ammo. There we go. No, I did not mean to do that. Okay, so this is going to be a bit confusing. Might do it off camera. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get the materials for the fluid freight platform. Okay, we'll also need some miners and constructors. And then assemblers. Been off for quiet for a long time. I'm actually gonna end this episode right here. See you later, fam. Bye.